Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Dragon Victory International Limited, and the stock is in a very interesting and sweet spot. Let me tell you why. But first, you have to look at the current base which the stock is indeed making after a breakdown from the level of $15 on the upside from the highs of 2017. Yes, indeed, it's a big fall, but what the stock is doing right now, it is trying to create a base, and it's indeed done that over the past 2 years actually. So as you can see, there are lots of small levels which one need to taken care of here. But yes, it's very encouraging to see that the stock has indeed stopped falling and started making a base. So first of all, let us simply see the important support levels, because that's the most important level one need to look at, because below that it's very risky to hold any position either for a long term or for short term, because those are your support levels and those will also be your stop loss. So you have your first big support at 1.1, then you have 0.93, then simultaneously you have 0.86, and finally you have 0.78. So these are your important support levels which you need to look at. But if you take one step forward, then what you can see, your primary support will come at here, 1.79 or $1.8 on the upside. Now as I started this video saying that it's in a very interesting or sweet spot, let me tell you why. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, the reason behind saying this statement is the kind of, first of all, the kind of volatility we have, or the kind of trading moves we have, is simply so liquefied that it can actually raise your stock, or it can actually move your stock to this level. Okay, and it's very easy nowadays that in a single session you can have this kind of trend. So first of all, that this is the level one should look at on the higher side. Okay, if the support level holds, that's the catch, if the support level holds. But it is restricted, your higher means your higher end will be restricted till $15.1 for $15 on the upside, which was the previous high. Now for that, as I've told you, that it needs to hold certain support level. So here you have, okay, now look at this. The stock has already makes a breakout above certain level, so it is trading above 2.43. now 2.43 will become your first line of support, then 1.79, and you have rest of the support levels right now. But the important thing to note here is this level 3.5. so if the stock makes a breakout above 3.5 or 3.6, then it's very much likely that it would hit towards the higher end of the range. Okay, this is what I am saying based on the chart or based on the levels, but it can simply goes up in any trading session. Okay, if people looks at it and everybody started buying, and then in a session or two it will go up to $15. In any case, what I'm talking about is the way we read charts. And the second point, what is happening in the market is one phase of the market which will change in some time. We don't know when, but it will definitely change. It's not going to be the same like you're getting 5,000% in a single trading session. Okay, so if the stock moves above 3.5 and sustain above that, then you have your next target at 5.6, then you have your next target at 7.2, and your final target or resistance will be at $15. So these are the various levels which you need to look at. Now the only thing is, actually the breakout has happened above 2.4, but a confirmation will come after 3.5 or 3.6. So this is the thing we need to understand, and in these kind of cases, these moves will be sharp and very volatile on both the sides. So understand this. You always place your stop losses at such a level that your risk minimizes and profit maximizes. So that's the strategy you need to apply, and do not need to stay your welcome beyond a certain point of time, because we don't know how stable these moves were or how stable these moves will be. So in both the cases, you need to save your profit. So whenever you are making your profit and it hits certain level, okay, right now as you can see the highest level will be 15. There is no point thinking that it will go above that. So if the stock moves above 15, 16 or $17 and sustain over there, then that's a different thing. But that sustainability, we need to again check whether that sustainability comes or not. Okay, so that's the point where you have to decide whether you want to stay, or you want to just simply leave the position with the profits you have in your pocket. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.